My grandmother was right. This is one of the best recipes I've ever made. To start, in a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 7 fluid ounces of milk. Mix everything very well. Next, add 1/10 of an ounce of active dry yeast and mix again. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 7 1/4 ounces of all-purpose flour. Add salt to taste and mix everything well until you get the desired dough consistency. Cover the bowl and let the dough rest for 30 minutes. While the dough rests, cut the bottom off a plastic bottle. Remove the cap and cut it as shown in the video. After the resting time, place the dough inside the bottle. This trick makes the preparation much easier. With the bottle ready, cap it again and use it to pour portions of the dough directly into the hot oil. This way you can fry the fritters easily. Fry them until they are golden brown, turning them to ensure they cook evenly on all sides. Once golden, remove the fritters from the oil and drain them on paper towels. And that's it. Our delicious raindrop fritters made with the help of a plastic bottle are ready. A simple, practical recipe with a magnificent flavor. Let me know in the comments what you think. And if you liked it, don't forget to like our video. Not part of our channel yet? Click the subscribe button so you won't miss any of our upcoming recipes.